First, select the top plane, then make a sketch and select a construction. A circle with a diameter of 150 and smart dimension. First of all, we need to change this 150 millimeter, and we need to change this into millimeter gram second and change this to construction. Change this into construction line while it is under the sketch mode. Select this and construction geometry to a circle. Then it will create like this, and make an offset this and offset entity to outside with a diameter of 2 mm. Okay, similarly change this to the construction line, and then we need to make a construction line running from one of this, the center, and to this node. Then constrain this with an angle of 5 degrees. Now we're just going to create the SP line. Click here. Now we need to click this dot style SP line. Then having said this, we need to say that this are equal, and this is horizontal. This is horizontal, and this line and this line is perpendicular. Now I'm going to draw okay, wait me. I think we have reached over here. Let me undo after the error is caused. Let me undo this. Okay, this was the SP line drawn. Then what we need to do is make this line and this line as equal. Okay, let me again undo this and undo this one. First, we need to select this line and this line. Many lines. Let me select this line and this line and make it equal. Okay, after we make it equal, the last line has to be horizontal, and this one, make this as perpendicular. And next, this is movable, right? Anyways, we can now we can now draw a construction line running from this point, towards this, and let's make this and this line as collinear. Then merge this in the point to the center. Okay, make this is the center of the circle as merge it. Now there is an error here. Now the next step we need to do is mirror this entity, this one, over the mirror line is this one. Then okay, then let's draw this also a pattern, make a pattern. This is a circular pattern, circular sketch pattern. What are the entities to be copied? This one and this one. Then how many? 36 number. Then let's press OK. Then it is, as you can see here, like this one. But what we need to do is, let me go back. What we need to do is now we need to now it's recurring. Now we need to make fit to the spline, fit spline, search on this and click that one. Then when we click that one, then let's right click this, then select the chain. It will select the chain, all the chains. It's not, still it's not Okay, I think it's finished. Then we need to minimize this. Okay, I think better to write this a number on the text. Okay, 0.1 then strong 0.0000 okay. Okay, now let's curve fit this one. Fit HP9. Click here. 0 and level chain. And select that. I have it selected. Now what we need to do is we select this and it is below and the select chain and selected. Okay, this might be the solid work we have. If you encounter with this, click this shade tool. Then this is the first sketch we need to make here. Okay. Then exit from the sketch here. Okay. Transfer an isometric and create a reference reference geometry by going to the feature and clicking on the plane. Okay, we have created the top plane on 150 180 from the top to down with this, and created this sketch mode. This is sketch. This is what I have drawn before. This is the plane and the features and geometry reference. I have drawn this plane, reference plane at 180 from the center. We can see here this point, it is 180. Then I have drawn this circle with a diameter of 110, right? 110 this one, and offsetted 2 millimeter outside as usual. Then let me convert this into a construction. Then let me put the spline points. Here is the point coincidence, and another point there. Then what we need to do is draw this, the special spline, style spline. Click on the first point, then here, there, and this end point. Then first we need to make this as usual is equal, and please make it this line as horizontal, and make this and this point perpendicular. Then try to draw a center line from this point. See, from this point toward this one, so that you can make it a collinear, this line and this line is collinear constraint. Then this line has to be directed towards the center, and make this as merged, so that the collinear line will be aligned towards this. Then click OK button. Now it is time to mirror. It is time to mirror, but we need to draw a mirror construction line, a mirror line, and mirror entity. The entity to be mirrored is the spline, this one, about this line, and click OK. And now we need to make a circular sketch pattern with a quantity of 36, and we need to make this, we need to click OK. Okay, then now it is time to fit a spline. Fit a spline. Then select one of the spline and select the chain, and we will try to wait until it finishes. Then reduce the tolerance to the lower point. As we did last time. Then click OK button. Now it is time to exit this. Now let me make this invisible. Then here, let's loft this. This point, this point, this point. Now, this is a profile. Okay, wait me a minute. All right, after I draw the profile S9 profiles, now let me get into the surfaces tab. If you can't get the surface tab, go right click on the ribbon and go to the tabs. Click the surfaces here. So click the lofted surface, then find a point on SP line, this one, point on SP line, then it says sketch 2, then select the second parallel point for sketch 1, then it creates like this one. Okay, click OK button. Then this will create the this surface. Now what we are going to do is a line which is running on this on this surface with this intersection, this profile, and a plane running through this one. So select sketch first, the top of the plane, select this top plane and click sketch. Then here is a line with a diameter of with a dimension of around 80, around 80. Okay, then exit this and draw on the front side a vertical line running from this. It has to be from this point, center of has to be vertical, right? Then now we need to we need to make this a reference plane. We are going to create a surface, not not like this one, but need to create a surface, extruded surface. What to extrude is this one. Then okay, some correction. We need to sweep the surface. This is the profile. Now first we need to dimension this one. We need to think okay, sorry, I think this date dimension to 100, that we can have the larger. Okay, surface, subsurface. This is the profile first to be swept, and this is a path here. But now here, what we are going to do is this option under the profile, we need to set into the twist value. Then the twist value is 150 degree, and 150 degree, and let me just view its profile. Does it show that this showing us? Is it? Yeah, it looks like this one. So click this. Okay, upon this, I need to know the intersection of the surfaces, so that the line has to go through this one, right? Okay. Intersection curve. I think it's the intersection curve. This one and this one. Do you get that? There is no. I think there is no line here drawn. Okay. Okay. Now we need to get this intersection curve. Then the intersection of this curve is this one. Then click OK button. Then we found this line. This is a mesh to be created on this profile. Now this is one. Okay, Then we need to rotate this. We need to mirror this into the right plane on this plane. Then click OK button. This is the surface to be mirrored on the right plane. On the right plane, the mirror plane is right plane. The body to mirror is the surface, switch surface. Then click OK button. Here, in a similar fashion, we need to have this line as well. But before doing that, we need to twist this. We need to move this line or this profile in some degree. Okay, first we need to move this or rotate, move or copy this one. Okay, then we are going to rotate this this is another rotation. Let's not creating a rotational constraint. I need to make. Okay, now we need to rotate this to the profile we have created on 5 degree. Then click this. Since we need to rotate this, click this rotate button, and we need to create a point, a rotational point, and here is the rotational point. This one, not translate. We are going to rotate them. The rotational point is this point. Then along y-axis, how many degree? It is 5 degree because we have created 5 degree. The profile of the SP line is created on the 5 degree. Then we need to shift to that. If it is 10, we need to change to 10. Then click OK button, and it's already rotated. Now we need to create this intersection among the intersection curve among this surface and this surface. Click OK. Now we have created this two profiles, right? As you can see here, okay. Now we need to delete the bodies. Delete, delete, delete. Then we need to exit first from this and need to delete or keep bodies. So these are the entities we need to delete. Now this one, got this, and now we need to create a float. Now sweep. This is the sweep. Color sweep. With diameter of 2 millimeters because we have offsetted in 2 diameters. And click OK. In a similar fashion, we need to make this also sweep, circular profile, not sketched, not 10. Let's try that. So then we can this might be a problem while we are rotating the body. I will fix this. So, okay, a bit correction. After mirroring this surface, we need to rotate this lofted surface along the z-axis, not along y-axis, with 5 degrees. Okay, then need to move or rotate, move this one. Then this is the part or the body to be rotated along a point origin rotational. The rotational origin is this one. It is selected over here, but it is going to rotate along the z-axis, not along y-axis. So click this 5, then it's already rotated, as you can see. Then we need to get the intersection line, the intersectional curve among this and this one. Okay, click OK button. Okay, cancel it, don't need to create another intersection line. Now exit this. We need to delete the bodies, delete. What are the bodies to be deleted? This one, this one. Only we need the intersection lines. Here, now we have created this intersection line. Now sweep this. It's a circular. Is a diameter of 2. Yeah. But we need to select this curve and another aspect is a swift. This is a circular profile, not a sketch. Is a diameter of 2 millimeters in a similar fashion here. You see, now it is fixed. Okay, now it is time to mm, create a pattern, circular pattern for all this under 360. Now we need to create this surface plane or rotational axis. This one, and here origin and the top plane. And we have created a reference. Okay, then what we need to do is a circular pattern. The axis is already selected. Axis of the rotation is already selected. Then number of the pattern is 36, and the feature to be dated this one. Okay, and click OK. The building error. What's wrong with this one? Let me fix it. Now we need to make this degree with 360. Let me try this 360, of course. It's 360. We need to make this under 360 degrees. What's wrong with it? I don't know. Is equal? Yeah, I think it's equal spacing. Then with an equal spacing. Then now I think it is going to be fixed. The rebuilding error will be fixed. Oh, come on. Okay, it's not the surface or faces to be pattern, but it's the bodies. This one, and I think is selected. Those are selected now. It's already selected. I think the preview shows both are selected is equal spacing. Then let me click and let us see if it is corrected. Yeah, it's corrected. It's corrected. Here is a mesh. Yeah, right there in the basket. Now next, we need to create this upper plate and bottom plate. Let me enter the plane, the plane on the top. Then we sketch on this. We are going to create a sketch on the top of the plane. Oh, my PC is okay. Let me repeat again. Okay, here on the top I'm in sketch mode. Then here circle in the center, and let's try to say somewhere here in the construction, and click OK. And what we need to do is select this one and this one and create the constraint. Okay. It's becoming too busy, but try to be patient. While in the sketch mode, we select this line and this one and the tangent. So offset again this line in this direction. It is bi-directional, and 2.25 as an allowance inside and outside. Then I think this is a solid, not a construction. Okay. Then what we need to do is extract rows. Okay, here this is in the upper. Okay, now rather than this one, point this one and in the direction to merge the merges on direction to, I think this we need to draft outside with 7.5. 7.5 outward, 7.5 outward, draft outward on direction to, it's not 10, as 9. Okay, with a draft similar case, 7.5 degree, but draft outward not okay. This is what we are going to create. Now we need to cut this. Okay. Here, extrude cut. We need to cut this. Right. So hole. More. Is drift similar case and through all. This is draft outward and draft outward, but here is auto detect, auto detect, it is for this aspect only. Selector contour is okay. It's on. Okay, and this is our path. In a similar fashion, we need to create a sketch on the bottom plane. A circle as usual. The center of the circle, and we need to create somewhere around here and a tangent line to one of this. Like this tangent, and offset this not by directional but unidirectional 12%. And now we need to exit this one. Now extrude this surface with maybe edit yes. Now one to merge 7.5 left outwards on direction 2. It is in a similar fashion 14 and draft outward, that is 7.5, and then is draft outward. Now it looks like fine. Click OK button. tick mark. Okay, then we need to create a sketch here. Okay, offset in the reverse direction is 3 millimeter. Okay, now we need to extrude cut. We need to extrude cut. This is switch from surface. Switch from surface is the surface is an elevator of 3. Then drift is 3.75. In a direction to other. So let's click yes. Now create a fillet. Fillet with a radius of 1. This radius of 1. This one and this one. Similarly, a fillet of 1 on the top. Fillet this again. This is it. This is it. This plate and the surface with a radius of 3. Here is what it looks like. Then combine all entities. Combine all these entities. Okay, now we're just going to add material under this metal, steel, appearance metal, steel, and satin finish, stainless steel as a material is going to be added. Edit appearance. under the edit appearance. This is the appearance. What you need to do is okay. On basic concepts under the illustration illusion. Illumination, and under illumination we'll set the spectra to about 0.8 spectra 0.8 spectacular speed, spectacular speed 0.8 7 enter. Okay, no problem. And the reflection, maybe reflection to power. Okay, but material about part one. Okay. Now let's set this to the show these edges and this to ambient occlusion. Let's try to see its effects. Let's try to see all this perspective axis. Shadow initial out. This is what it means a mesh. See this one. This is what we did. And mesh grade dustbean. Mesh dustbean. Thank you for watching.